Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm Augie F. This is Rage, and we are in Mumbai. Welcome to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of questions lately, and even in the Q&A video, about these small little mirrors which I've got installed on the stock rear view mirrors of the RC390. Now the mirrors themselves are called blind spot mirrors. To help you understand the purpose of these mirrors, you firstly need to understand what a blind spot is. Now, the human eye can only see so much in front and to the side of you. And your stock mirrors, if you're using them right, would show you what's directly behind you, and to some extent, again depending on how wide your mirrors are, would show you what's next to you. A blind spot is an area between what's exactly behind you and what's next to you, which you really can't see. And that's why some of us have to head tilt every now and then like that when you're changing lanes, just to make sure that there's no one behind you and to the side of you, so that when you go to switch lanes, you don't get hit. Now, unlike your conventional mirrors, which show you exactly what's in the direction of what you point them towards, these blind spot remover mirrors are not flat surface mirrors. They are convex shaped mirrors. And what that means is that, just like the fisheye lens on the GoPro, you don't just get a direct view of what's in the direction of what you're pointing the GoPro towards. You get a larger field of vision, probably 170 degrees field of vision. And that's with the GoPro. With this, the way they are shaped, I'm guessing you're getting 120 degrees. Now, what that helps you do is realize what's exactly behind you, but the way I use them is to find out what's besides me more than what's behind me. So if you notice the way this mirror is angled, I can pretty much see my handlebar and also what's to the side of me. So if there's anyone attempting to overtake, or you have some squids wiggling around in traffic, it's pretty easy for you to know that they're there. Similarly, if you look at the right mirror, the blind spot remover mirror that is, you'd see that that also is angled to see if there's anyone from the right who is overtaking me. So again, if I'm looking to overtake someone from the right, of course, before I switch lanes and before I indicate, I'll have a look and see whether there's actually someone there. And if there is someone there, then I'd probably delay it again. Now again, this is not something that's really 100%. Oh man. Now again, these mirrors are not 100% necessary if you're riding a motorcycle or driving a car. But anything that helps you be a little more aware about your surroundings, especially on a motorcycle, is a boon nevertheless. So yeah, I've had these mirrors on my motorcycles since the Red Torpedo, or the R15 as some of you might know it as, and I think it's really been helpful in keeping me safe on the roads, avoiding any unfortunate incidents, and being a little more aware about my surroundings. And I would definitely recommend them to anyone who's riding a motorcycle or even learning to ride a motorcycle. Now these ones which I've installed are adjustable, so again you can move them around and set them to whatever angle you feel is best for your style of riding. And again, your height and everything matters as well, so you can adjust it based off that. And these ones just stick onto your mirrors using the 3M tape, the same kind of mounting tape you get used on the GoPros. So you can pretty much put them on any mirrors for that matter, unless you've got really tiny mirrors, which I don't think any stock motorcycle comes with really tiny mirrors. I think I bought these off Snapdeal, but they're available pretty much all over the internet now in India. I think Amazon, eBay, everyone has these. What I'll do to make it easier for you to locate the ones I'm using is put a link in the description of this video. You can check it out. I don't think they're really expensive. I think they're within 300 or 350 rupees. You get a set of them. I'm not really sure. It's been a while since I bought these. But yeah, go ahead and check them out. You will not be disappointed. Quite a few of my friends as well who've installed them say that they really can't ride without them now. Again, I'm not getting any sort of commission if you're thinking about that. I'm not getting any commission out of the sales of these items. You can buy them off eBay, Snapdeal, wherever the hell you want. Completely up to you. Your decision. Okay, that's pretty much all I had for this video, for this vlog. Thank you all for watching my channel again. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content in this video, do give it a like. As always, please at least wear your helmet while riding and ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. Goodbye.